Hello everyone, this is Farhan Abid. Today we're in a mode map, but for what reason? Today we're gonna learn about phone codes and how they are used. We talk to each other using phone calls, but how do we put the numbers? We put like 017 blah blah blah, lot of things, but how does it actually happen? We have a plus 880 code right in front of it. Why does it have it? Because it is our phone code. Like this, many countries have other phone codes. Like the phone code of India is plus 91. Only four countries have one digit code, that is Canada and USA has plus one, and Russia and Kazakhstan has plus seven as their single. Plus 7 took it temporarily, it will join another one, but it is currently in plus 7, it is used for fast communication. But how is it actually severed? Where is plus 2? Where is plus 3 and others? Well, let me tell you. Plus 1 is Canada and USA. Both of these countries use the plus 1 since they can talk to each other, they have less population, less production of phones, telephones. They use plus 7, plus 1 with no modifications. Yes, I said modifications because it is needed. Plus 2 is for Africa the whole. But no, it doesn't belong to a single country like Nigeria is plus 2, 1. It has combinations, different ones. Then plus 2, 2, there is something plus 2, 3, plus 2, 4, plus 2, 5, etc. It doesn't depend on chronological order. It just depends how it goes. Like Niger could be plus one, plus 2 1, and then thereof Republic of Congo can be plus 2 3. There might be no plus 2 2. There is no specific actions doing this. It is just for the people, like how numbers they know, what numbers they recognize more. Like in America, they recognize one more. In Russia, they recognize seven more because seven is the lucky number. So we Bangladesh have plus 880 or plus 88. Well, it is mainly plus 880. Many countries have two digits, many countries have three digits because of their country code. But how does it actually go? Like I said, plus 2 belongs to the whole of Africa, and plus 3 belongs to the southern part of Europe, and plus 4 belongs to the northern part of Europe. Plus 5 belongs to Central Africa, Central America, and South America. Then what about plus 6? Plus 6 is Australia and southern part of Asia. Plus 7, so plus 7 is already Russia and Kazakhstan. Plus 8 is only two countries, that is China and Bangladesh. Why I don't actually know how that matched up. Like China and Bangladesh, two separate things, got the same phone code. I have nothing to say. Then we have Atlas plus 9, that belongs to the rest of the countries, Saudi Arabia, Iran, and even Mongolia, which is not connected but still have the plus 9 code, like plus 9 1 and plus 8 8. It doesn't belong in a chronological order, any order. It's just good for people, easy to use. But you may say, where is plus 0 or plus 10? There is no plus 10, just say plus 0. There is no plus 0, and we may save it for Antarctica or even the moon, the Mars. We actually don't know, it's just a theory, a space theory. So Greenland doesn't have any phone code because there is no interconnection, telephone, or any kind of internet related things there. Antarctica, there is no Antarctica on our map, but we know that it exists. It has no interconnection. It only has wires that connect to Canada, USA, and other space state things. The point Nemo is the farthest off. Even Hawaii has a interconnected code, but unfortunately, Greenland and Antarctica is the only two or the Antarctica is the full continent does not have any, and Greenland is the only country with no phone code. It was supposed to have one, but they said that we will have one, you will have one, and it did not exist. And Antarctica is the same thing. They called that we will build a communication system there. It will be a proper country. It will have proper countries like South countries, cold countries. It will also be a part of cold countries. But they just said it, did not do it. And now they're saying that they will make a connection system in the moon. Like they do not want to see the oceans. Let's just say that our ocean, our world is small, but the amount of space that we explored is more than on Earth, more than I have ever seen in the ocean. Like we have never seen the specific ocean completely. We have seen the solar system completely, took a picture of it, but did we take the picture of underwater Pacific Ocean? No, I didn't. That is the flaw of scientists. They should do it and make it possible. There are many flaws that we need to correct, but without correcting the flaws, we make new flaws that we try to correct. So bye bye, we have to correct flaws, and at a time we will always not be unwanted, and we can do development from there. There is a thing called development can't happen with flaws. So that was all for today. Thank you for watching. So the +1 and +7 code belongs to Canada, United States, and Russia. It temporarily is used by Kazakhstan, who is thinking to join +9. And there is only two +8 countries, that is China and Bangladesh. That was all for today. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Goodbye.